Hi, this is Zak Mir with the US Chartbreakers here at Zak's Traders Cafe. It is Thursday, October the 5th. Starting with the S&P, which has bounced off RSI 30 and bounced above the 200-day moving average around 4,200. In fact, the low on earlier the week, 4,216. So that's a positive if we stay as we are. That would imply that we could head back to 43.30, which was the broken neckline support from that head and shoulders formation in place on the daily chart since June. Otherwise, there is a risk, and it normally happens, that there will be a bear trap from below the 200-day line, so we head back to 41.80, 90, something like that, and then turn around to obviously stop people out who were betting on a 200-day line rebound. But at the moment, looking relatively positive after the losses that we've seen since the beginning of August. Moving on to the stocks and starting off with Accuray, which has broken out of this falling wedge that it's been in since the beginning of August. The line broken there around the $2.80 level, and above that we're looking for as high as $3.30 by the end of this month, within a broadening triangle from the beginning of August. Early sustained price action back below the $2.80 area, really delaying the upside there, or potential upside. Moving on to another stock which is on the front foot, Aquabounty, and here something of a breakout too, in this case through the 50-day moving average after a narrow bear trap from below August support, which is always a good thing. Above that recent neckline resistance around the $25 area, looking for $32 by the end of this month. Obviously, we had a decent spike yesterday, but just managed to fail near the $30 level, but $32 by the end of the month, while we're above recent resistance around $25. Next up is Digital Alley, and here you can see that we've had a little breakout through neckline resistance off the low, so the neckline resistance there around $2.20, and above that we're looking for up to $3.20 by the end of next month, which was former support at the beginning of September. Maybe we see that $3.20 area quicker than that particular time frame. Fingermotion is next, and I know it has quite a social media following. Here we've been zigzagging within a rising trend channel from the end of June. The floor of the channel currently around the $4.60 area. Nice close there yesterday near the 50-day line, and above the 50-day line around the $5.40 area. Looking for as high as $8.50 by the end of next month, and obviously the way the stock moves, it could be rather sooner than that. Moving along to another near-term winner, Globus Maritime, and here massive move here over the recent past. So obviously September, the big month there with a near vertical move. Old resistance for the shares around the $1.95 level, and above $1.95 we're looking for as high as $3.20 by the end of next month, especially the way things are going at the moment. I covered Gritstone earlier in the week, and here it is back again. Now it's broken through the 200-day line. The initial target here, or the target here, was up to $2.60, so hopefully that'll be hit sometime this week, and above $2.60 looking for a May resistance line projection as high as $3 by the end of next month, or hopefully even sooner than that. One of the big winners of the recent past and a great charting setup was Jin Medical. Here we've managed to now beat the old June resistance around $21, above $21. We're looking at the top of that rising trend channel from May as high as $40 by the end of next month. And again, this looks like something which could beat that time frame. Requested stock is next, and it comes in the form of Spectral AI, and here not much charting data to go on, but it does look as though we've got a bit of a turnaround going here, probably on the basis of the rebound off oversold RSI levels well below 30, and basically also a kind of falling wedge breakout, which we've had really through the $2.80 area. Above $2.80, looking for the top of that falling trend channel as high as $7.40 by the end of next month. Let's see if Spectral can step up to that rather ambitious sounding plate. Moving along to a stock which is rather more straightforward. Here we've got a massive breakout for Nuvalent, and here above the $50 mark we're looking for further gains within a rising trend channel from back in the late part of October last year. So up to $72 by the end of next month, especially if we can hold above the low 50s and make old resistance new support. Moving along to a situation with the next stock, which is looking encouraging. Here you can see that Sera Prognostics has managed to break through the 50-day line there around $2.10. Above that, we're looking for the top of that falling trend channel from back in July at $2.90, and hoping for that to be hit by the end of this month. Ideally, we stay above that 50-day line at $2.10 in the meantime. Moving along to a stock which we give quite a lot of coverage to, which is Shengfeng. Here, the pullback from that peak in September has been perhaps a little bit more painful than some would have wanted, but above that broken resistance line there from May, around $10.80, we're looking for a retest of the best levels, at least back up to the $15 area by the end of this month. Finishing off with another nice looking situation off the base or off to the lows. Here we've got Vivos Therapeutics, and we managed to close well above that now rising 50-day moving average and old resistance there from August, September around the $26 mark, above $26, looking for up to the 200-day moving average at $50 by the end of next month. So let's see if we can stay above the 50-day line, and especially the $26 area. It's a bear trap island reversal as well, so we gapped down at the end of last month and they've gapped up there, which tends to be a very good charting setup. That's it for me today. More updates tomorrow.